How to save yourself $150. So today we have an iPhone 14 that we dropped on the ground and it broke the lens. So we're gonna try to fix it today.
Show the camera. Focus. Okay, there. So like right here, it's all cracked.
So first thing we need to do is buy the kit, and the kit has these sharp knife here and a little tweezer, and the kit has a two lens that will fit in here after you take out the old one. This is how it looks like. There's two of them. So if you break two, you can replace both of them. Otherwise, if you broke one lens, you can just use one, and if fail, then we use the next one. So you have two chances to fix this. So this is our first time, and we watched some videos on how to do it. And here we're gonna start to take out the old broken lenses. Some of the broken lenses were already taken out. So there's some pieces around the lens, around the ring here. We need to.
The heat so that it comes off easier.
So what you need to do is use the heat gun. So this is what we have. Or you can use a hair dryer too, but this heat gun heats up faster. So if you don't have this heat gun, you can use the hair dryer. So I'm gonna use. Once we scrape out all the glasses, then there's some pieces. Maybe I'm gonna use this vacuum to suck out all the small little pieces.
The shards, the glass shards.
But first I'm gonna suck out all those pieces that we scraped out on the table. Go to the light. Yeah.
Make sure this thing's like clean. I need to clean off the other glue. Cut the camera out. Cut the camera. It's gonna take a little while.
Then we can apply the new lens.
Try not to touch the inside of the lens.
So the new lens has a little stick, kind of like a glue.
Peel off the glue.
You just peel off this sticker here, and there's glue behind it, and then you can just put it right over the top of that. So I'm gonna peel it off using this knife here. Okay. What's this? This is the glue.
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm gonna put it right on the top of it. If you can do this, huh?
That's what they do.
Then we'll just drop it right in.
Make sure it's really aligned. Wait before you drop it in.
So we gotta make sure it's perfectly aligned before we drop it in. Put it up more against the...
You can adjust the lighting if you want. Move it a little bit.
Yeah.
Does it look good?
So it's in. It's all...
Let me see. Check it out.
So now what do you do?
Why the heck is it so thick? I guess it's like that.
Now what do you do? Just
heat it a little bit. Just
so
very
that
little.
way...
So it's like more secure. Okay, guess you heat it up a little bit. Just very little. Stop. Just a little bit.
And then we'll just tap it. Just push it down. Give it a little more heat. Yeah. Then we'll just push it down.
That's it. Don't try not to break it. Do not break it.
Okay.
Okay, so now we're all done.
And check the camera.
Okay, it's good now. So,
this lens is only 11 bucks, and we save ourselves 150 bucks. Please click on the like button and subscribe. Thank you.